Let's do some quick math. If you are 40 years old, you have lived exactly 14,600 days. Out of all those thousands of days, how many of them actually stand out as life-changing? This visualization shows the results of a recent survey. When asked if they believe they are currently living their best life, 81% of people answered no. This gap exists because the lives people lead often don't match the ones they actually desire. When our daily actions and thoughts clash with our internal values, we drift away from our core identity. But you cannot change what you do not acknowledge, and the common denominator in every single area of your life, whether personal, professional, or spiritual, is you. To close the gap between your current reality and your potential, you have to do the work. That means systematically auditing both your internal mindset and your external environment. Let's start with your internal mindset. At your core, you have what life coach Mike Bayer calls a best self. This is the authentic version of you that is universally fearless, honest, compassionate, and free. To access this, write down your ideal traits and assign this persona a specific name. Give it a character. This named persona becomes your internal, permanent life coach, asking you the questions needed to stay aligned with your truth. But there is an opposing force inside you too, the anti-self. These are the sides of your personality that get triggered by fear, anxiety, and deep-seated insecurities. Your anti-self creates false narratives and distorts reality to sabotage your progress. It might convince you that a tired spouse actually means an unloving one, spiraling you into a story where you feel unworthy of love. You need to map out the specific triggers that bring out these negative reactions and give your anti-self a name too. Doing this lets you recognize the exact moment when fear is trying to take the wheel. Labeling these two internal forces is a required first step. Once you can name the voice in your head, you can stop reacting blindly to negative triggers and start making conscious, positive choices. With your internal mindset mapped out, it is time to turn your focus outward and run a diagnostic on your external world. For this, we use the sFures framework. It acts as a screening tool to evaluate your life balance. The sFures framework maps 7 distinct components of a complete life: social, personal, health, education, relationships, employment, and spiritual. They are interconnected. If you fail to prioritize your physical health, that failure ripples out, limiting the effectiveness of all the other spheres. To audit these areas, you apply a specific metric known as the Continue, Stop, Start framework. You look at a single sphere and rate it by identifying 3 things: behaviors you must continue, behaviors you must stop, and new behaviors to start. This auditing framework takes the vague feeling of being stuck and transforms it into a blueprint for specific daily adjustments. But here is a reality. Personal reinvention cannot happen in a vacuum. Life is not meant to be lived as an island. You have to audit your inner circle. Ensure you are surrounded by teammates who teach you new things and consistently keep your mind in learning mode. Consistent practice changes how your brain processes these moments. What begins as a conscious struggle to suppress the anti-self eventually settles into a subconscious habit. Reaching this automatic state allows you to become the true artist of your own life. You are finally able to express yourself in a way that is fully aligned with your authentic truth. By defining your best self, identifying the anti-self, and assessing your life spheres, you seize control of the only variable you can always influence, yourself. This is how you reclaim your potential.